Hi guys, it's Tanya. Welcome or welcome back. Today's video is going to be a postcrossing themed video. So I'm going to get a few people from the postcrossing website, like their addresses, and to send postcards to. And I just thought I would take you along and I would show you how postcrossing works, how I prepare, and how I send my postcards. So let's just jump straight into the video. So this is what the website, I think you can see it right here, is what the website looks like. And it's my account, so you will have something similar if you register on the website. And all you have to do now, actually you can see that I have sent 85 postcards and I have received 87 postcards. So now I have to send 2 more. But actually on the right side you can see like traveling 0 out of 10 postcards. So currently I can send 10 postcards like at the same time. Usually the new people who registered just now, usually they have 5 postcards traveling at the same time. And the more postcards you send, the bigger the number becomes. So currently I am at 10 postcards. All we have to do is choose send a postcard, and yeah, I've read the notes. And so then just request address. So just a random person, you will receive your code. So you will have to mention this code on the postcard. So when the person receives your postcard, he or she would register it in the system. And so it would tell the website that you have actually sent the postcard and the person have received it. So yeah, I have Sherry Prut. I'm sorry, I'm not sure how to pronounce the name. So the lady from the US. And okay, let's read about her. Usually people, they just write like a short summary about themselves, what their hobbies, what types of postcards they prefer. So let's check what this lady likes. Hello, I live in the beautiful Ozark Mountains of southern Missouri. I'm 30 miles from Springfield and 60 miles from Branson. I love to sew, read, make quilts, learn Ozark history, and listen to bluegrass music. She has a lot of hobbies. I was widowed. I'm so sorry. At only 30 years of age when my husband died in a car. Our little boy is now all grown up and works on motorcycles. I finished college and I am now a social worker at a local rural clinic. I have recently remarried to a wonderful man named Mark. He hosts a gospel bluegrass radio program. You'll see the link below. She doesn't mention any particular preferences in terms of postcard that she would like to receive, so that's why I will just choose something that I like. I guess I will try to choose something nice. I will show you my process of choosing. So this is the first person, and let's get somebody else so we can get the second. Let's do 3 postcards today, right? So 3 postcards. It's like 3 is lucky number, so very good. Request another address. So next address will go to Finland. I haven't received that many addresses from like Finland or America. So usually I receive like Germany or Russia. Yeah, usually like these 2 countries are the most, Germany and Russia, and so that's why Finland, America is quite rare for me. Okay, so Hellevi Jukala. Okay, so let's read. I think she has a lot of. Okay, so work. Hello world. I am 50 plus, young woman. I think she's a lovely lady. I have 2 adult sons. I love cats. I have 2. Okay, she has 2 cats. I work as a secretary in the adult vocational school. We have moved to an old house which we have renovated for 2 years. When I have some spare time, I like to swim. Okay, so tips for postcards, map cards, car field. Okay, let me make it closer. I can try and choose postcard with cats or like with a lot of tiny things. I'm sorry if you don't like my postcard, but I will try to do my best to choose something nice for you. Because I honestly don't know all of these people. Like cards with lots. Okay, Mardillo, Jean, where's Wald? I don't know any of these. Diddle, Cleveland Cats, Laylee, Drone Chicken, Roosters, and Chicks and Cats. Okay, Rooster. I think I have a postcard with a rooster. Yes, I have a postcard with a rooster, but it needs like a very big, because it's a big postcard. It's not a standard size postcard, it's like a bigger one, like Russian. I bought it in Russia, but okay, I will see how I can pack it. Okay, maybe I think I can make like a handmade envelope. I think that will do. Okay, so this was the second one, and now let's receive the third postcard. So the third postcard is gonna be Russia. Yeah, so this postcard is to Russia. Polina. Okay, so this is a girl, Polina. Let's see a little bit about her. My name is Polina, I am 13 years old, I am in 7th grade. I live in Russia, collect postcards, I like to draw and wear different socks. If you don't mind, please write your favorite movies or a book. I'm very interested in Moomin, Harry Potter, dragons. I love Harry Potter too. Reproductions of paintings. Oh, she must be a very smart girl. Witches, dinosaurs, lighthouses, superhero, Gothic architecture. I like Christmas postcards in any time of the year. Okay, so let's now try and choose some postcards. So here are all the postcards that I currently have. Let me know in the comments which postcards do you like personally. I think I kind of see the postcards that I want to send to some of the ladies that I have right now. So I think that I will send this postcard to the lady from Finland, because she mentioned that she likes cats, and so I think this postcard would be perfect for her because it has a lot of cats and all of them look very, very happy. So I think I will send this postcard to her. And now the Russian girl, I don't want to send her Russian postcard because, well, it's not going to be anything interesting for her, it's not going to be anything new. So that's why I think I will send some Korean postcard probably. Maybe I will send a dress. I think I really like this dress. So I will send this postcard to this 7-year-old girl from Russia, Polina. And now the last postcard for the lady from America. I want to send her something Russian because I think for her that would be interesting. So I want to send something beautiful to her to kind of cheer her up because I think she had a difficult life. So I'm in two minds. It's either this girl, I want to send her either this girl or either this postcard. I don't like which one. I really don't know. I think I will send her, I don't know. It's so hard to decide. I like all of them, both of them very much. I think I will send this lady to her. I think this lady is very beautiful and it's like a spirit. I don't know, I associate this lady with like a spirit, beautiful spirit inside of everybody of us. Like inspiration and strength. So I think I will send this lady to her. Okay, now after I chose all the 3 postcards, well, let me show you all of them. So I've chosen these 3 postcards. So now I'm going to write something on the back of them and I'm going later on to send them. So let's do that together. I also have some stickers and some washi tape just to make the back of the postcards just a little bit more interesting. So I will show you how I do it. And yeah, I personally prefer some stickers like floral stickers, not that many smiles and not that many like funny faces. So yeah, we will use floral stickers, maybe like 1 or 2 smiling faces and washi tape. So let's do that. And you can see the camera in the back. So yeah, when it comes to writing the postcards, I usually just answer the questions if some people have, if they have some questions on their profile. I usually talk about what they want to know, or if there's nothing like that, I just write like something very short about myself, like who I am, where I'm from, my hobbies, and yeah, something, maybe some book that I'm reading currently and loving, or movies that I have recently watched, you know, something that is just on my mind and I would like to share. So that's usually what I write. So this is what my first postcard looks like. I will also of course add the address later on, and yeah, so this is the postcard for the lady from Finland. I have 2 more to go. The next postcard I'm going to be doing is this one for the 7-year-old girl from Russia. So let's start. This is the second postcard for the girl Polina from Russia. Well, obviously I wrote it in Russian because she is also Russian. So yeah. So the last postcard I'm going to be doing is this one for the lady in America. And I really like this postcard. I think it's so beautiful. Like the design is very beautiful, and I want to make the back also nice. So I'm a little bit nervous about this postcard, so and that's why I left it for the last. So let's try our best. So this is what my postcard looks like. Now I will only add the addresses, and then we can go to the post office and send them. All set, guys. Now it's time to go to the post office and send these things.